no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you miss cloud.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Leo. Today we have another video. Well, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a reading my subscribers video. It was highly requested by you guys, and yeah. So before I begin, I would just like to say that thank you. Well, at least I should say we are one subscriber away from 250. I am really grateful. Like I said before, I'm thankful. I think when I hit like at least 500 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. And yeah, in the left corner of my screen, or probably it will be on the right, I'll be posting the videos. I mean, the video of who all will be in the video. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Also, click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Because who would want to miss my videos? Who would want to miss it? Also, you guys, like, I didn't like this yet. I can give you all 5 minutes to like this, 5 seconds to like this video. Okay, y'all should be done. So let's get into this video. Okay, guys, the first person we have, hold on, wrong password. Oh yeah, I'm using this phone again. Don't get off on this phone, please. Thanks. Anyway, the first person who we have for this video is Malik. I'll insert a picture of him. I give Malik a 9.5 because the bed ain't given, you know? Don't send for me, okay? I know you just watch this, so don't send for me. Okay. The next person we have is my girl, Tamia. I give her a 10.5. Why? Because she's a body, period, like me. The next person we have is my good cousin Tina. Oh shoots. I gotta give her a 10. At least. Yeah, I give her a 10 out of 10. Why? Because why not? Just why not? Let me show you the picture, even though I'm going to insert it. Like, look. Oh.
Ooh, Tina is beautiful. I like Tina fit.
Period. I don't know why she don't come on this video. We're talking about that ain't fixed, but yeah.
It isn't.
The next person for this video is my boy, Kyrus. I give Kyrus a 9.5. Why? I just give Kyrus a 9.5. The next person is my girl. I can't really show the video. At least I can insert the video, but I can't really play the video because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But this her, I give her a 9.8 because her fits be fine on her YouTube channel. Cause why not? Cause why not? She on the way to 1K, so hit her up. And her personality is bomb, so yeah. The next person who I got is Fante. She's my cousin as well. I give her 8.5. The next person who is my girl Sabrina. I give her 8. Okay, I give her 8 because she's a body. Okay, looks nice. Next person. Okay, the next person I have is my boy Darius. He fits B5, so I give him a 10. Don't do too much on people who I call, and don't send for me in the comments because I know a lot, but yeah, don't send for me because what I reach y'all. The next person who I have is my boy Noel. I ain't even like this picture, so I give you a 2.5. Cause nobody wears Puma anymore. He's still my boy though. But yeah, I just don't like the fit at all. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah. The next, let me see. Oh, okay. The next person who I have is my boy Jonathan. Well, I keep calling everybody my boy, but and my girl. But yeah, you glow. I ain't gonna lie, you glow. So I give you a 8.7. I need to show the pictures because it will be inserted, like I said before, in the clip below. I mean, above here, like right there, it will be inserted. The next person is my boy Andrew. Your fits be clean, but I'm telling you now, yeah, that's solid, okay? So I give you 11 out of 10. So yeah, and the last person for this video today, I get my girl Johnny. Yeah, your fits always fine, like I said before from Andrew, but your fits be licking, so you always on point. So I give you 11 out of 10 as well. So yeah, that is all the people I have for today's video. If y'all want a part 2 of this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Also, click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Bangers coming soon. Bangers might come tomorrow. Bangers might come the day after that. So stay tuned and turn on post notifications. Yeah. Until next time, peace.
And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.